Robbie, I've got a brand new product that just came in our door and I know nothing about it. And I understand you're a bit of an expert on this. You explain to me what this is.
Yeah, so this is the new Flammkraft grill by Zwilling. First of all, it's beautiful. It's really cool modern look that you really don't see with any other grill on the market. This is all double wall, so it gives great insulation. A lot of the grills that we've talked about, multifunctional. And if you got to have one grill, this is what it's all about. First of all, I love this grill because you can really cook almost a whole meal for 10 to 15 people. And the reason why is because it heats much different than your typical grill. So you have only infrared, no open flame. Actually, the infrared is indirect heat. So you have 3 burners. You have this beautiful sear burner that can really handle the biggest of ribeye steaks. And then you have a back burner that's infrared, and then a front burner that's infrared. And it's something where it angles up, and so it's indirect heat. So when you have those burgers, you know, those brisket burgers that are super greasy, it doesn't drip down and then flame up and create this like bonfire on your grill. You get that super nice sear with these great heavy stainless steel racks that really distribute the heat very, very well. And so your cooking process and how I use it is I sear here, and then I finish here or hold on the main grill. Since it is angled up, your hot spots are gonna be in the front and the back, and then this main spot in the middle is gonna be like your medium heat, which is very nice. So you have super high, high, medium, and then your low up here. So you can really have a variation of cooking styles, whether it's chicken, shrimp, steaks, and you can do that all at once because you have so many different options for temperature on this grill.
Well, I've got 2 questions for you.
Okay.
Infrared, normally I'm used to being super high heat. You're searing your steaks with it, and that's what it's good for. And that's it. You tell me this thing goes to low temperatures so I can cook things slower?
Yeah, so that's a really great question. Really, the infrared, it is definitely used for searing. It's very hot, but a lot of people don't realize it's very controllable. So it's much more controllable than an open flame because it is so hot. And so really, you have much more control with this grill than your typical open flame. Like we've been talking about, those diffusers on a grill is meant to give more control to that open flame. And what we do is we actually use that infrared burner to make sure that we're not only using gas very efficiently, so it lasts more on a tank, but also to have those temperatures really honed in.
Well, some of the things I understood about this one is you can turn on 1, 2, or 3 burners to control the temperature better. But something even more important to me, everybody gets the flare up. All the grills get the flare up, and then your food's on fire.
Yep.
I understand this one that the actual flames are hidden behind the wall so that you're not dripping directly onto an open flame, and you don't see the flare-ups in this grill that you do in most gas grills.
Yeah, I put it to the ultimate test. I actually cooked a full packet of bacon on this thing, and it really didn't do any types of flame ups. And that's because the burners are on each side and they're angled up and they're heating the grates instead of having this big open flame on top, and that's what's cooking the food. It's almost like direct and indirect heat all at the same time.
I see why you say this grill does it all.
This grill does it all. You got to have one grill. The Flammkraft is the way to go.
Excellent.
So we all like to cook on a high-end grill that does burgers, great steaks, but what about cleanability? So with this cleaning, it's super easy in the sense that these pans come out, you can clean them individually, this rack comes off, but I think the most convenient thing about this grill are the drip, because it doesn't produce as much grease as a normal grill will because of the infrared and how hot it is. It flashes off a lot of the grease, but that grease that does come off has a really easy way to do it. So it just goes into this drip pan, you pull it out, it goes back in, really nice and easy. And then also, this is on a ball bearing rack. So all the grease drips down, it's slanted down. These come off as well, and you wash them off, just soap and water, and you're good to go. No cleaning else is needed. Also, if for some reason you need to clean these burners, they come off just with twist screws. No weird sheet metal screws that are hard to get in and out. Overall, super convenient and easy to maintain. Okay, lastly, this is a well thought out product. It's German engineered, which means that every detail is covered, from the cleanability, the cookability, and then the storage. Everything is on ball bearing racks, super smooth. You have all this space to not only hold accessories, or you can clear it out for food storage, beverage storage, or anything else you need. Also, when you're not using it, you can store the grates or any other accessories in this built-in waterproof storage container. And then finally, any type of wood chips that is an accessory, or any other tools can go in this bin right here. Overall, a completely well thought out luxury grill.